Today we're diving into something really quite intriguing. It's this idea about why so many people, seem to fall short when they're trying to achieve big goals.
Hmm.
People talk about manifesting or setting intentions, but it doesn't always stick.
Right.
And our source material today, it makes this pretty bold claim. It says something like 94% of people reportedly fail at achieving these manifestations.
94%.
Yeah. And it's not because they aren't trying or don't believe enough. It's apparently something more fundamental.
Okay.
So the big question it poses is like, what's this brain cheat code they're missing?
It's definitely a hook, isn't it? And what's interesting, I think, is how the source frames it. This isn't just, abstract thinking. No, it's pitched as a very practical, almost mechanical approach. It talks about specific techniques, things some neuroscientists are supposedly discussing, to literally rewire the brain for success.
Rewire the brain. Okay.
Yeah, it moves past the usual talk and gets into what it actually calls brain physics. Sounds technical, but it's aiming for something tangible.
Brain physics. I like that. So our mission then for this deep dive is basically to unpack all of this.
Exactly.
We need to look at these core claims, figure out what this secret weapon is supposed to be,
Right.
how this two-step manifest hack actually works, and, importantly, look at the proof they offer.
Yeah, examine the evidence presented.
Right. So you listening can kind of get the gist, understand the mechanisms they're suggesting, and see if it feels relevant. A shortcut to getting informed on these ideas.
Sounds good.
Okay, so let's jump into it. This secret weapon, it's supposedly the missing piece. The source uses this visual, right? A person meditating kind of grayed out.
Yeah, I saw that.
Versus the same person writing, and there are like gold sparks coming off the pen, dramatic.
Very visual.
And the core idea here is that your RAS, the reticular activating system.
Your brain's Google, as they cleverly put it.
Exactly. Your brain's Google, it actually ignores thoughts. Just plain thoughts.
Which, flies in the face of a lot of common advice, doesn't it?
It really does. So what does get its attention, according to this source?
Well, this is where it gets specific. The emphasis is strongly on the physical act. Handwriting.
Handwriting.
Yeah. The claim is that writing isn't just, putting thoughts down. It says it physically rewires neurons.
Physically rewires them. That sounds intense.
It's a strong term. I mean, in neuroscience, rewiring usually refers to synaptic plasticity strengthening connections, forming new ones, which is how we learn and form habits.
Okay.
So the source seems to be suggesting that handwriting forces a kind of focused engagement
Right.
that just thinking or meditating maybe doesn't achieve in the same way. It helps, apparently, reinforce those specific neural pathways more effectively.
So moving it from inside your head to something physical outside.